Hello computer cooks and welcome to the Retro Recipes Kitchen. Now, as you may have figured out, I use the slogan retro with a twist because even though we're dealing with the same few machines that really had their heyday 30 years ago, I like to try to keep things as fresh and original as possible. As you'll see in some of these clips featuring stunts, dogs, 3-hour collaborative live repairs, dancing, sort of, all original music, and even international challenges. Keeping it fresh includes my theme tune, which more astute viewers will have noticed I change up every few months. For quarter one, it was this song. I Found You from 1994, remixed in 2015. For quarter two, it was a track called One of Those Things, which I wrote in the early 90s and re-recorded on a Commodore 64 in 2018. And moving on, for quarter three, we're moving from Commodore 64 to Commodore Amiga, the track you're hearing now, What Can I Do? Also from 1994, remastered in 2018, recorded from a Commodore Amiga onto a Korg Wavestation, and available on my album Instrumental. You're mental, you are! I hope you enjoy it, along with a few best bits clips from my little channel. Thank you so much for the ongoing support that I receive in comments and on Patreon. It really does mean a lot. Which leaves only one thing left to say. Welcome to Retro Recipes.